Let's create. Paella de Sardinas. And these are sardines, not the canned version, the real stuff. And this paella is going to be delicious, very simple and very delicious. And I'm going to show you how I clean these sardinas, okay? And what I'm going to do, I'm going to clean them up a little bit. This is not the canned stuff. So what I'm going to do, okay, it doesn't have a fin here. I'm going to make a cut. And then going to turn it around and do a similar cut here. And then I'm going to open this baby and clean things up, okay? And it's going to look like butterfly. So you can start cleaning that stuff off. It's not that hard, see? See how simple? You have to go crazy pulling and shoveling. You can leave the head, you can cut it off, it's up to you. You can cut the tail, you can leave it on. It's up to you too, okay? Aluminum foil. I'm going to put some strings of saffron here because I want to smoke it. So I had the heat on and I'm going to leave them here in aluminum foil for about 10-15 seconds, okay? So let me start with some extra virgin olive oil. Let me reduce the heat a little bit to a couple notches above medium. And you know what? I'm going to put some salt. Let me sprinkle some salt, sea salt. And I'm going to let it heat up before I add the sardines. Let me brown them up, cook them for a little bit. I'm leaving the heads on for now. But you can cut the head off too. And I'm going to brown them up on both sides, okay? Put them aside. Going to put a tiny bit more oil, just a little bit. And I'm going to scrap this and start putting the vegetables. Artichoke, green beans, and the sweet peas, all fresh. Mix things up. Grated small tomato. And a half a tablespoon of smoked paprika, which I'm going to add now. It smells good. Some garlic, about 4 or 5 teeth. I say about 4. Chopped. Keep mixing. Let me do this for a few seconds, okay? I have a cup bomba rice. As a result, I'm going to add about 2.5 cups of water, but in my case, it's going to be seafood stock. Let me increase the heat to high, okay? Let me add this saffron, which I roasted. I'm going to add it now. Few strings. About 5 minutes later, I'm going to start adding the rice. Bomba rice. Beauty about bomba rice is that the grain absorbs about 50% more of the liquid. So I'm going to the edges, I'm just distributing everything. Some in the middle. Let me break things down a little bit. Because this is the last time you're going to touch this baby, okay? About 7 or so minutes later, I turned the heat a couple notches above medium, and I added the sardines. And this is what I'm going to do a little bit different. I'm going to cover this with aluminum foil because I want to use this steam to assist me with the cooking of this paella. It's a trick that you learn here and there, okay? Oh, look at this beauty.